When you think of the Puma brand, what do you think? You think catty, cheap, silhouettes are rubbish, or they're not as good as the oppositions, the other competition? Do you think that Puma, it just doesn't have that credibility? Well, what if I tell you that last year, or last financial year for Puma, they made a profit? So this is not cash flow going through their accounts, profit, yeah, of $380 million. Now, to be honest, that is quite respectable, isn't it? Compared to the others, it's not that bad. Now, yes, the others are doing, billions, but you can't sniff your nose up at $380 million profit. In keeping with what I've done recently this year, I'm speaking about more general release trainers and trainers which are a bit more affordable than the typical hype sneakers that we're seeing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share my personal review of these amazing sneakers, the PUMA Tifosi. Let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about the design. Look at this sleek synthetic upper. It gives the shoe a real premium feel while keeping them durable. There's main features of this is the Puma foam strip, which you can see on both sides. You can also see the Puma logo, which is very nice, and you can find that on the side, you can find that on the heel. There's actually two locations, the top part of the heel and at the bottom of the midsole or outsole. And then other features which are football-esque like. So you got the tongue, which you have that really flat tongue. Keep that feeling for ball control. So that's something that is very important. Also, you have these patterns, these stitching that you can find on the toe box of this sneaker. So I'll let you know what that actually is, what it's for. Some people might misunderstand what those for back in the day. But now it's slightly different, the designs are slightly different. But back in the day, there was a purpose for these stitching. So this comes from Puma's archive and it was based on Football Fanatics.
Year, fam. Same point of the season. Everything's done. The whole thing's done, fam. The whole thing, blood.
So Tifosi, if you didn't know, Tifosi means fan supporter in Italian. And essentially, this is a dedication to that. This is that typical terrace type trainer. Moving down to the midsole. The midsole is got the EVA tooling, but you can see it's quite thick, but we'll talk about that later. And also finishing it off, you got the outsole, which is rubber. So it's wrapped in rubber. And at the bottom, you can see, or the grip, you can see it's got this herringbone design, which gives you that grippy style when it comes to football, especially indoor football or gym, five-a-side type football. Now let's talk about comfort, where the Tifosi really shines, thanks to the Soft Form Plus sock liner. These are some of the comfiest sneakers I've worn in a while. Whether you're walking around in the city or standing for hours, your feet feel supported and cushioned. This was similar to the Club 2 era, which is another terrace shoe, another football type shoe, which has this insole which revolutionized, well, I'm being over dramatic here, but it gives you that real nice comfort. So this insole coupled with the EVA foam is really nice. So at this moment in time, there is a trend to move towards a more slimmer, flat-bottomed sneaker. But don't get me wrong, the chunky trainers are still in, especially for the short kings and queens. They still like a chunky trainer. Now, this gives you the best of both worlds. And the reason why it gives you the best of both worlds, it hasn't gone too extreme on the chunkiness and it hasn't gone too extreme on the flat bottomness. So you actually got this in between where the shoe is actually complemented. It is slightly stacked, and I'll give you a measurement of what that stack is, or pop up somewhere, but I'll give you a measurement of what that stack is. It's actually stacked, but it's not stacked as extreme as some of the trainers out there, especially the Balenciaga type sneakers that you see. It's not as stacked as that, but it gives you that look. The Tifosi sneakers come in some awesome colors options, and I went for the black and white combo because it's super versatile. So majority white with the black foam strip, and then the brown outsole, which is really nice. You do have black and white, where it's majority black with the white foam strip and a brown outsole, and then you have variations of white, which is all classical colors, especially when you walk on the terrace. You tend not to, back in the day, wear very colorful trainers, which is what is current now. So you do keep with the traditional colors, but this is what makes that shoe give you that terrace feel. I am tempted, I might consider buying the all white one with the gum sole, but we'll see. All in all, the PUMA Tifosi sneakers are a solid choice. They're stylish, super comfortable, and versatile enough for any casual fit. If you're looking for a pair of unisex sneakers, yes, they are unisex. It delivers on both form and function, and these are definitely worth checking out. Now, before we close up, I'm going to basically tell you what the stitching on the front toe box was for. So back in the day, obviously, you're kicking around a football, and the technology which we have now, we didn't have. So it was pure leather trainers, but they got battered. So the stitching was there to help give the toe box more robustness, especially when you're pounding that football. So that's what it's there for. So let me know in below if you knew that or you didn't know that, because that was new news for me. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you've tried these sneakers, let me know what you think. Give me a little comment below, and while you're commenting, give me a little like as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for reviews like this. Catch you next time. Oh yeah, guys, I almost forgot. All this for just £60. So that is not too bad.